Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make an A-line dress in just a few minutes. So we are starting off with our border line, 24 inches. So take our line, shoulder is 10, come down by ½ inch, taking 3 this way, and then we are taking 1.5 for the back and 2.5 for the front. Our chest is 6.5 plus 1 inch sewing allowance, 7.5. Coming down to the full length, we'll add 4 inches to the 7.5. So we'll have 11.5. So I'll proceed to cut it out. Cutting the back side first. You cut out the front neck and the armhole. So with this now, I'm going to cut out the lining the exact same way I cut the material. So I removed 1 inch from here to have this curve, to give it a smooth curve. So let's cut the lining. So before sewing, we are going to slit the back side of the cloth so that the child will be able to wear it. So this is the back side, the lining and the material. So we'll slit it with about 5 inches, 5 inch loop, and then we'll remove 1 inch from the downside of the lining. 1 inch from the downside of the lining. This is the lining. So we'll remove 1 inch from the downside of the lining, like so. Just like this, and I'll do the same to the other side of the lining too. So we'll start by sewing the neckline. The pin still in the dress, you raise your her up and then sew the other side. You turn it around. This is what we got. You turn it back again and sew the downside together with the lining. And then you open it up and top stitch to the lining side. Because you shorten the lining, this is what you get. So we'll join the sides. So having finished sewing the neckline, the sides, and the downside too. So let's turn it and see the result. So this is what we got. This is the front, because we have been doing all the magic at the back. So this is the front. You see how neat it is. You see? You see? It's like this because I shortened the lining to make it look neat. Okay, you see? So I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the front side and then iron it and come back. So I've gone ahead to do the front side off camera and then ironed it. As you can see, we are almost done. So we'll join the front to the back now. This is the front and this is the back. So we'll join two of them together. We'll join two of them together with 1 inch. 1 inch sewing allowance. So we'll turn to the front. Let's join the shoulders. So this is the front, this is the back. You put it like this and then you pin. You see? Let's turn it to the front and see how it looks. You see? So let's clean out the armhole with a bias. So this is a bias tape I've cut out from the material. I'm going to use it to clean out this armhole. This is the final look, guys. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Bye.